We said we're through with England, we declared it formally. The Second Continental Congress delegates agreed to finally break away from tyranny, we're risking it all. The Redcoats killed at Bunker Hill are proof they've met their match. Our final peace petition's just a broken olive branch. Our right to liberty's God given and unalienable. So this abusive rule must be abolished. Thomas Jefferson so boldly penned. We hold these truths to be self-evident and obvious. Now let's govern with the people's consent. And choose your side, this might divide your friendships and families in two. May you Loyalist Tories support and King George fleet north before we should. Squeezed the British out of Boston, clearly war's begun. Cause Congress authorized our colonies to fight as one and put the Continental Army under Washington. He faced a mess. His men weren't disciplined, they'll need supplies and training. But after reading Common Sense by Thomas Paine, these folks have a new perspective. They're now expected to have the social contract and their natural rights respected. So this abusive rule must be abolished. Thomas Jefferson so boldly penned. We hold these truths of the Enlightenment is obvious. Now let's govern with the people's consent. I must remind my husband John, stand up for the rights of women too. But it's gonna take ages for this declaration's claims to show more proof. Maybe it's hypocritical, but now at least we've a place to start. Maybe you'll use our principles to liberate those we disregard. Maybe it's hypocritical, we're not as bad as King George III. Now you'll read how despicable his crimes against his own subjects were. So this abusive rule must be abolished. Thomas Jefferson so boldly penned. We hold these truths to be self-evident and obvious. Now let's sign it, John Hancock and friends. And choose your side, this might divide your friendships and families in two. And it's gonna take ages till this declaration's claims can show more proof. We said we're through with England, we declared it formally.